New items today, my friends. I am so excited to share these with you. Are you ready for this? Get set, here we go. This first one is called Large Circle Background. And I know it doesn't look like anything right now, but look at how awesome this is. It has this fun background die. It's kind of like the grid dies that we have, which are so popular. It has this piece right here. It has these extra little flowers just for fun. And then it says sending hugs. Look at how cute that is, sending hugs. But those of you that have been around a while have other big circles like this one, happy birthday. Guess what? It fits in there, of course. Then we have others, and I just pulled some really quick. I'm so sorry. Thank you, my friend. Thinking of you, lots of other big circle dies that would fit perfectly in here. So any of the circle dies that would fit in the large flip it, large circle flip it, this one, yeah, fit in here too. You guys are gonna love that one. I love it. Now, moving on, and I have more samples, don't worry. Moving on, we have this amazing background called Motif. And it doesn't, like, you're like, huh, I don't get it. But look at how gorgeous this background is. Look at that. The dies just don't do it justice, right? You got to look at the background. Look at how many of those fun cutouts there are. So beautiful, so elegant, just so, look, boom, 3 dies on the front of this card, you're done, right? So easy. Now, and I have more samples. This next die set I'm going to share with you looks like nothing. In fact, you're going to look at it and go, what? She's lost her mind. And you're going to say, why, what? No. And some of you aren't even going to buy it. But you know what? You're going to wish you did. So here it is. It is the dumbest looking die set. Okay, I'm just putting that out there right now. So I know a lot of you are just going to not even look at it, but that's okay. More for us. They're called hidden hinges. Right? I told you it was crazy. I told you you're like, oh, what? What do you mean? Why? Who? What? Where? Well, let me grab my samples to show you. So if you ever wanted to do a fun card front, watch this. See my cute little castle? Watch this. You can open it up because it has a little hinge on it. Or my cute little knight, you can open it up and he has a little hinge on him. So they can be little hinges. Look at this one. And there's a whole bunch of different sizes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different sizes. So look at this one. Oh, look at our cute little guys. Look, they look like they're flying because they're on the hinges. You guys, right? Look at that. All of your dies can now be on hinges. Now, part of the card, this could just be like a postcard if you wanted it to. Or look at this one. Ready? Wait for this. So this is a card. Oh, cute baby card. But watch this. B, and there's something there behind it. A, look at that. Bundle of joy. B, look at those hinges, you guys. Isn't that totally awesome? So easy peasy. And they're going to change the way you do your cards. It's one of those weird ones that you need it, but you didn't know you needed it until you got it. Now you're like, oh my gosh, I had to have this. Yeah, it's one of those. So let's look at some other, but wait, there's more. There's more glitter paste from Crafter's Companion. Now, this glitter paste is not your everyday glitter paste. It's so awesome, I'm showing it to you on camera. Are you ready? I got my handy dandy little scooper. This is called Mesmerizing Glitter Paste because it literally changes colors. When you turn it, as you can see in the jar, it's like different colors. It's purple over here, but it's pink over here. But wait, now it's purple, now it's pink, now it's purple. It's one of those like almost psychedelic kind of thing. So look at how gorgeous this is. They're sold in packs of 3. And if I could, I haven't even opened it yet, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna just have to stab it because we got things to do here. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. Look at this. Are you ready? Laying this down. Oh, and it's like chunky glitter. Here, let's do this one. It's like a chunkier glitter is on the inside as well. It is so beautiful. So this one is Mystical Ocean, one of my favorites. I won't show you all of them because I won't have time, but let me show you a couple others. Here is Moon Bloom, and I wish I had a different spoon on here. I don't want to contaminate these. Hang on. Hang on, thinking. What else can I use to grab this? What else can I use? Here, I'll use this. Watch this. We're gonna do this. Okay, so let's open this one. Ooh, opened that one. Look at this one, you guys. Look at that pink. Look at how gorgeous that is. It is so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? And it has the chunky glitter in it. So this is chunky glitter. This is not the little tiny glitter like normal. This is chunky glitter. So that is the Moon Bloom. And I can't wait to start really using these. They're literally brand new. Oh, Peacock is gorgeous. You can see the colors as I turn them. Look at the difference. They just completely catch the colors and the different lights, and they're so much fun. So this comes in a pack of 3. You're gonna want all of them, just saying, because they're awesome. So now I have glitter all over me, but that's okay because it's chunky glitter and it's fun. Moving on, let's look at some samples. So here we go. Here's our Motif background. Look at how gorgeous that is. It just adds something. So sometimes when you're making a card and you're like, oh, I love that, but it just needs something on the background. Boom, use one of our background dies. This one especially is fun. Or use our Sending Hugs. Look at that, isn't that cute? Open it up, it can be a card front. Here's another one. Lots of different options on all of these. So look, here's like 2 different ones. Using the inside and the outside. Isn't that fun? Totally different looks. Oh, look at this Motif one. Whoa, whoa. Right? Add to the back of it, add coloring to the back of it. Look at how beautiful that is. Or you can use it as a background, just like that, so pretty. Here's another one. Oh, look at that fun little butterfly on there. Look at how gorgeous that background is. Here's another one with that gorgeous background. Oh, I love that. So club members, you know the deal. You are getting 15 to 20% off the entire website. Now, the dies, the first 24 hours they're on our website are usually on flash sale. So you definitely want to make sure you check out our website on release days. What are release days, Stephanie? The 1st, the 7th, the 15th, the 20th, and the 25th. But can I give you a little secret? Go to our website the night before. Set your phone alarms for the night before, and you'll be able to get in on all those flash sales. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, I want you to hit that subscribe button, click that subscribe button, because we do live videos all the time, twice a week. So make sure you click that subscribe button so you are gonna get notifications when we go live, because you don't wanna miss out on anything, right? Right, I'll see you soon, bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.